In last video we have discussed about the RxJS observable. Now in this video we will discuss about the operators. So there are the two type of operator is available in RxJS. One is the creation operator and another one is a pipeable operator. So basically creation operator is nothing but to create a observable. So see, there is a one way to create a observable using the new keyword. Okay, you can create a observable where the next, complete and error, three method you have to use. Using the next method you can produce a next data, and if you want that no any data emission should be happen, then you can do a complete, or if you want to produce an error then you have to use the error method. Okay, so this is the one way to create a observable. Another way is to creation operator. So there are lots of creation operator is available in RxJS. So using that creation operator you can create a observable. Now another one is that the pipeable operator. So let's discuss about the pipeable operator. So see, just I am going to, it's all right. So you can notice here that I have created one observable using the new keyword ob1. So here I can write here the pipe. Okay, so let's write here the pipe. Pipe is nothing but this is one function. What they will do? So pipe is just a function that take as observable as its input and return another observable. And it is a pure operation. It means what? The previous observable will not modified. It means in the pipes we can suppose that we can write a observable. Let's write another operator, map operator suppose. So in the pipe we can pass the other operator as an argument. Okay, in the simple term you can say you can in pipe you can pass the another operator as a argument. So suppose there is a map operator. What map operator is doing? So basically map operator will take the input from the observable and they will modify it. Okay, all the incoming data from the observable will get modified, and after the modification it will return the data. So this is the map, and in the map we need to write here the callback. So for now I am going to write suppose that value. We can achieve the coming data in the value val, let's say value, and then there will be a arrow function and we will return the data. So let's say I am emitting the data 1 2 3. Okay, just I am going to remove that one after this. Now it will be very clear. So you can notice that I have used the map method, and there is a callback, and I will multiply with the 10. So right now data will produce 1 2 4 and 3. So 1 2 3 and 4. So I will modify it. So what modification I will do? So let's say I can multiply with the 10. So like this. So but here is the error said that type need to be defined. So right here I can do a number, but again there is an error because I have to wrap it in this way. But again there is a error, write it like this. Now you can notice that all the incoming data is modified. Incoming observable data is modified. So there is a one operator I have used. So whatever value will get emitted, again this map method will be emit observable, but that observable will get modified, their value will get modified. Okay, so now I can write another observable. So let's say a filter. Okay, we can do a filter. So whatever value, whatever modified observable we will get, this filter will take it as an input and this will filter out. So basically filter operator, what they will do, they will just filter out, means suppose 1 2 3 and 4 data is emitted. So it might be after the filtering, two data will be filtered out and two data will take it. So this can be possible. Okay, so some of the emitted data will be skipped in the filter based on the logic. There are the other operator as well, like there are some utility operator like tab operator. So we can check the what the value we are getting. Suppose before the map I can use the tab operator. Here I will use the tab, something like that, and I will use this comma. It means what? Operator, I am using operator as an argument. So tab operator, what they will do, it's a utility operator. So I can check the console log. Suppose I want to do a console log, so I can check console.log. Now you can notice that I have did here console log. So you can notice if I will remove that one, suppose that is I am not going to, okay, it's all right. So suppose there is a next method. If I will remove that one, let's say remove this next method, then you can notice the console log happen. This 1 2 3 comes because of this tab. Okay, so in the short form we can write like this. Otherwise in the console log we can use like in arrow function we can add. So I will write here a val, and then I will do a console log, and console log will be this value, and I can write here it comes from the tab, and then like this. So you can notice I have used here the tab, and in this way we can I am able to find out the value before the map. Before the map the value is emitted 1, but after the map it becomes 10 because I have modified. So multiple operator I can use in the pipe. So this is the pipe. Okay, this is a pipe operator, and some of the operator is a creation operator. So we can create an observable. For example, off operator. So let's try to understand what will be the off operator. So off is a observable. See, instead of OB1 I am just going to remove that one, and same thing I can do using the off operator. So OB1 is equal to, here I have to write let's say late OB1, and then I will write off operator. So off is a creation operator, just need to write OF and make sure to import that off operator from the RxJS library. And now here we need to pass the data like an argument. Whatever data we are writing here, that will get emitted one by one, that will get emitted after the 4, means after all the data will get emitted, then it will get complete. It means what? It means off operator will get complete, means no further emission will be happen once it will reach to the their all of this argument. So each of this argument will get emitted from the off operator, and after that it will get completed. So this is the operator. Okay, this is the actually off operator. Using the off operator you can create a observable. Okay, so let's make it 2 here, and again here as well you have to write here a 2. So the another way to create an observable is using the from operator. So you can write a from operator. It should be not from, it should be from, from operator. Okay, but I have to import that one. So make it 3, and I have to import. So I am going to import from the RxJS. And here the from operator will take the argument, but they will take an array, and each of this data from the array will get emitted one by one, and then after that observable get completed. So here again I have to write here the 3, and then I am going to clear the console and save. Let's see what will be the output. The output is same here. Why? Because the from is also a creation operator. Using that we have created an operator, observable. And now since this is observable, we need to use the next to the next, we can get a next data. Whatever data will get emitted, we can get it. If will produce the error. See, in this case we are not producing the error. From operator is just to whatever we will add into the array, that will be emitted one by one. Each of these array index will get emitted. So this is the from operator. Now there is a from event operator. Okay, from event operator is nothing but suppose any event will get occurred, suppose a click event, mouse over, mouse enter, key up, key down, key press. There are lots of event is available. So when that event will get occurred, then in that case there will be a observable generated. Okay, so suppose there is an input field, so whenever we will keep typing, then there will be stream will get generated. Means on each of this type or keystroke there will be a data, you will get it, data will get produced. So this is the actually observable data, observable stream data, which over period of time it is you are getting. Okay, it is emitting. So there is a from event operator. So what will be the syntax? Let's try to understand. So let's do it late ob3 ob4 and then from event and the first argument is a selector, means where you want to select, means where the event will occur, then you will create a observable. So you have to provide here the selector. Okay, so you can write a normal JavaScript code like document.query selector like that. For now I am doing a document. It means when the document, it means anywhere in the web page, if the click will happen, then we will generate a stream. So here I am going to write here the click, second argument as a click event. So click will be happen, then on that event the observable will get generated. So if I will click here, then let's see. Okay, one again ob4 I have to write it here, ob4, but the map will not work, because as you know that map is to modify the data, but how it will get modified, because you are generating the object. Okay, so whenever we will click anywhere, then object will get generated. So you cannot modify like that, we cannot multiply with the object. Okay, so you have to do certain correction. Right now I am just removing that part. And now let's click anywhere. Now you can notice that object is get created. Like since you have subscribed, then that's why you are getting the data and you are getting an object. This object having the lots of information, it's hidden because I am not running into the browser. So let's run it into the browser and see. Just I'm going to the console log and inspect and let's see the data. So if I will click anywhere into the browser, then into the DOM, DOM is nothing but a document, obviously it will be, then you can notice there is a pointer event and have lots of information based on the click. Okay, where I click, so they have a x-axis, y-axis and lots of other information as well. So in this way you can create a observable. There are two type of observable operator. The first one is the creation operator, another one is the pipeable operator. So rest of this part we'll discuss in the next video. If you have any doubt, then please comment.